Hi friends, Laurel Desnick here with the Park County update for September 5th, 2023. It's nice to be with you again. We are pleased to announce that Park County will be joining the National Wastewater Surveillance Program, which can track the presence of illness like COVID-19 or drugs like fentanyl in our local wastewater. The Livingston Wastewater Treatment Plant will be sampling weekly and sending it to the lab for review. Results will be available to the public on the CDC website. We have had quite a rise in COVID cases in the past few weeks, mostly mild, but several requiring hospitalization. Many of the infections are related to travel. Home test kits still work for the current variants. Kits are available at the health department and all of our local pharmacies. There is no need to test if you do not have symptoms. And as always, if you do not feel well, do your best to stay home for a few days until you're better. No matter what the test shows, this is the best way to minimize spread of illness to others. The prescription medication Paxlovid is still available to treat COVID. Paxlovid works best if started within a few days after symptoms begin. It can prevent more serious illness, keep you out of the hospital, and reduce your risk for long COVID. If you do test positive at home, call your healthcare provider as quickly as possible to get a prescription. We expect the new COVID-19 vaccine to be available by early October. The final recommendations for the new vaccine should be finalized September 12th, and the health department will be offering it as soon as it becomes available. On a different topic, Park County is beginning to experience the opioid crisis. More of the drugs are being confiscated by law enforcement, and more calls to 911 for overdose situations. Fentanyl is now mixed with a variety of street drugs and is so strong that a single pill can have a fatal dose. The state of Montana is providing free Narcan and fentanyl test strips to communities. The health department are now offering both to treat opioid overdose. Narcan is a nasal spray easily given by bystanders or family. It is the recommended first aid treatment to anyone that appears to be suffering from an overdose related to drugs like oxy or fentanyl. Many kinds of illegal prescription drugs are available in our communities. They don't have label and contain various amounts of drugs. This situation is especially dangerous for people experimenting at a party or simply taking something to feel better on a bad day. Stopping the flow of illegal drugs is a huge task, but using these methods for harm reduction can save a life in the moment. Thank you, Park County.